Hey guys, muko aje? I just wanted to talk to someone. Life is about choices. Life is about the choices that you make today, and the choices that you make today are going to determine the kind of life that you're going to live. Mumekuwa wabaraka, mumenishikilia sana, and I want to tell you that the choices sometimes that we make may affect the lives that we live. Sometimes unaweza kuona uko chini sana, no wikore withi muno na uka make choices sitari njega hindi iyo. But I want to encourage someone today, make the right choice, make the right choice to meet the right people, make the right choice to talk to the right people, make the right choice to talk right and to do right. Na weko uguo rucio rwaku ni rugukorwo rwi wega ni tondu wa choices iria ukumake. Sometimes you get so frustrated because of life, sometimes you get so frustrated because of how things are, but I come to encourage you in the name of the Lord that God is still on the throne and God got your back. It doesn't matter what you've been going through, it doesn't matter what your past says. We all have our past and we all have a difficult past. There is no past that is beautiful. I come to encourage you in the name of the Lord. Take heart, be encouraged in the Lord. Always look upon him. Get support system. Get a strong support system. You don't need so many people in your life. You only need few people in your life, people who can take you to your destiny. Doka ndimwire ni wega na ndimucokerie ngatho inyu mukoretwo mugi support, mukoretwo muri akirathimo, mukoretwo mugi subscribe YouTube channel yakwa, mukoretwo mugi share, muka like, muri akirathimo, and I want to really appreciate you people, appreciate you family. You are amazing people, and I want to wish you the very best in your endeavors, in your work. May the Lord bless the work of your hands. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord increase you. May the Lord hide you. And I'm still here waiting for your testimonies, because I know there's something that God is doing behind the curtains. There's still something that God is doing behind the curtains. This is your girl here, katejijo official. Neketuthi na mbere na go subscribe, na go like, na go share every Monday, every Wednesday, every Friday nitumurehagira program shito. Stay tuned na ni thank you muno ninyu mukoretwo mugi subscribe every Monday, every Wednesday, every Friday. Sometimes you can come on Tuesday, sometimes you can come on Thursday, and sometimes you can come on Saturday. Tugoka tukamurehera program shito tha igiri. Please keep tuned, stay tuned at 8 o'clock. That is when we premiere our programs, and we are grateful because you have been a help to us, and you've been great supportive to us. May the Lord bless you, and may the Lord do you good regardless of whatever you are going through. Make the right choices. Mieri no tigarite nigetha tunine mwaka tuhinge mwaka. Make the right choices in the name of Jesus. I love you, and I bless God because of your life. Katejijo official, subscribe, share and comment. Cheers.